In here in the bedroom, you got this nice mirror which I love. Hi guys, what's popping? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I just flew in from Germany, Düsseldorf to Istanbul, Turkey. So I just checked in this hotel called Hilton Garden Inn in Esenyurt in Beylikduzu. So I was like, why not give a proper room tour? Because I'm so in love with this room, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Are you guys ready? The bathroom doesn't have like a proper door, only have like this, so you can have some privacy, and you can also close it. In here in the bedroom, you got this nice mirror which I love. You get a shampoo, shower gel, shower cap, and everything that you need. And then you got a hygiene kit, which is really thoughtful of this hotel. And you got a slippers. Oh yeah, you got a hair dryer as well for those with long hair and so on. Yeah, I'll give you guys a close look on the shower. And this is the closet, also known as the wardrobe. And you got an iron to iron your clothes. In here you have a safe if you want to store some money or some diamonds or whatever, and then you can store it and put your code. So you got a fridge, a little fridge, not bad. We got a kettle. Guys, this is the view, the street view. So this is the front of the hotel. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, my hotel room tour. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.